So this is one of my favourite recipes. It's creamy Tuscan chicken and it's on the internet, and I don't know what website I got it off, but anyway, but this is my version. I always adapt my cooking recipes to suit myself. So I've pan fried 2 chicken butterflied. So this is one of my favourite recipes, creamy Tuscan chicken. I got it off the internet. I don't know what the website is, but I'll send you the link. But I've adapted it a little bit like I always do. So I've butterflied 2 chicken breasts and pan fried them. So I'll leave them to one side. So now to my pan, I'm going to add, this is all in American version, so it's all done in cups, but if you Google it and get a conversion chart up, it'll tell you in mils and ounces, etc. So it's half a cup of chicken stock. And then it's a cup of heavy cream, but I haven't got heavy cream, I've got single. So that'll have to do, I'm afraid, for now. It's garlic seasoning. Now, this is from Tesco, so I can get this from Tesco, easy. It's stuck in the jar. Give it a wiggle with a fork. I'll just throw it in. Italian seasoning. Now you can get this from Tesco or you can get it from Aldi. This is from Aldi. I'll just throw it in. Got my little whisk. Give it a whisk up. It always as well gets all the little bits of chicken off the bottom of the pan. I love this recipe. It's delicious. One of my favourites. I've got some cheese. Now I just put what I want in. I think it's a cup. I just add it. Makes your sauce a little bit thicker, just the cheese. So that's it, starts warming up. Right. It's coming to a boil. I'm going to add some spinach. Now I freeze my spinach. It soon melts down. You don't always need so much spinach, so instead of wasting it, freeze it. And this is what I use it for. Sauces. And again, I don't follow the recipe. I just throw it in. This is delicious with pasta or ribbon noodles, tagliatelle. Put another little handful in. That's my spinach. And the other ingredients is sun-dried tomatoes. Now that says, I think, half a cup, but I've used a jar because I don't know what else to do with it. But you can use sun-dried tomatoes on pizzas if you wish, or there's probably other. Or you could just save them and then make this again. So, my sun-dried tomatoes in and my spinach. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my chicken back in. And then cover it. And let that simmer while I cook my pasta. Smells delicious. So my pasta's all cooked now and my chicken's all nicely simmered in my pan. So I can just serve it up now. Like I say, I'm not posh like Gordon Ramsay, Murray Berry. Just goes on the plate. Will smell good. Delicious. So that's creamy Tuscan chicken with pasta. Enjoy. I know I will.